Hello guys and parents, these are the homework for this week. In the page 113 we got this activity. Think about two titles for Janet's blog when writing. And we got this example, for example, the healthy habits change our lives, and you need to fill the second question, okay? And the next one is read the text again and fill the graphic organizer with the correct information. Like in this one, we got this example. Do you think it's healthy or do you like the menu? In the page 114, we got make your personal weekly menu. Organize your food by breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Remember, it has to be nutritious food. Include the type of sport or physical activity you are going to do. Like we got here, the example for breakfast: cereal and milk, fruits with granola on Tuesday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay, you need to fill all these squares. And next one, we got in the portfolio, complement your healthy menu, describe your daily routine in your notebook. Pick any day you want. Write about the activities you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Remember to use the present simple tense, adverbs of frequency, time expressions, and correct punctuation. For example, Sunday I take breakfast with all the family together, then I do my homeworks, etc. Okay, that's you need to do in your portfolio. Okay, in the page 158 we got activity 3 extension. Read both case studies and work on the activities below. You're gonna read this, the activities of Melanie and Kevin, and you're gonna answer the questions. For example, do you think it's healthy Kevin's diet or Melanie's diet? I suggest for Kevin to eat more healthy foods like salads and definitely more fruits. Okay, do you need to answer those ones? In the page 115 we got visible thinking, analytical thinking, finding similarities and differences. For habits at home, mention the types of food you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the activities you do together, whether they are physical or not. Use the present simple tense and adverbs or frequency to talk about your habits. Write your answers in the following graphic organizer. We got here examples for the graphic organizer, like the main topic, my family, subtopic, physical activities, not physical activities, similarities between each week. Both weeks we run together, and the difference go here, okay? And for last, we got the page 116. Are healthy habits and sport really that important? Prepare your brainstorming, your personal opinions on the topic. Use the organizer to help you. Reasons to support your opinion, my opinion, example to support my opinion. Like in this one, healthy condition, the sport, healthy condition. The sports make me stronger and feel very good with myself. That's all for this week, guys. Enjoy your week. Goodbye.